Hello, welcome to Spanish Manor. Today's the day that we get chickens. Let's see how they do. They're all shoved in a box. They're all, you can see, they're just smushed in there. We got it from a company that sells six chickens in a box. They're young hens. They're not laying eggs yet. Now, in a few seconds, we're gonna show them how to feed. Look, right now. As you can see, there's one right there, like hidden in there. The rest of them are next to the pallets that we made this out of. By the way, we made it out of a few spare woods we had, some plywood, so a crate, let's say, a cabinet, and some screws. We've had chickens before, so we have a feeder, a water thing that the chicken was drinking out of. Now the chicken, since he doesn't see the wire, he's trying to get through it. Now they're making dust baths. Oh well. Please make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.